I'm the team lead of the continuous delivery team, and what we're trying to do is make it so that we can really push out updates to our products to customers really quickly, so they're always on the latest, greatest version. And so we're building out that pipeline to make things really simple and really reliable. So joining Orion, I've been here about 1.5 years, initially as a senior software developer, but recently I've taken on the lead as a team lead of the continuous delivery team. And the idea is that we're going to try and push forward with these sort of continuous delivery type ideals of frequent small releases that give really good value. Yeah, so one of the big things I liked about being in London, obviously, is there's a vibrant developer community over there. And I was quite surprised and pleasantly surprised when I came back to Auckland to discover there's a lot of meetups and a lot of that sort of tech culture going on here in Auckland. There's JavaScript meetups, there's functional meetups, all that sort of stuff. And Orion gets involved in that too. We host a couple of the meetups here frequently. There's the usability meetup group, the UX meetup group, and also the continuous delivery meetup group that we've sort of kicked off recently, and we've had a few that have been hosted here. Scratch Your Arm has been part of the sort of innovative culture that Orion's had. From what I understand, it's been going for a number of years. And so basically every 4 months we sort of have a break and we stop working on the most important urgent thing that we're doing, and we sit back a little bit and we sort of assess, you know, what it is we want to do. We promote sort of cool new product ideas. For example, one of the winning teams last time used a little leap motion, which is a cool piece of technology for hand gestures and waving them around, so that surgeons and those sorts of people could fill out clinical forms without having to touch and get that sort of germ type thing going. So they could just swipe to say yes and no for the form and that sort of stuff. So lots of interesting sort of different types of Scratch. I didn't do that one, but it was very cool to play with.